Hello students, welcome to St. Joseph online classes. Today we will continue chapter first, rational numbers. In its first part we learned definition and first property of rational number, which is closure. Now we start second property of rational number, commutative property. Let's start. Commutative property. For this, firstly we take addition. In addition, suppose we have two rational numbers and when we add these, minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 7. Two rational numbers, and when we add these, look at here, in denominator we have 3 and 7. So firstly you find the LCM of both the denominator. As we learned in previous classes, LCM of 3 and 7 is 21, and then find the cross multiplication of these number. So 7 2s are 14, put the symbol also, and then 15. What we get? We get 1 by 21. Then we exchange the rational numbers. In the place of A, we put B, and in the place of B, we put A. Okay. Now exchanging the value, we try to solve this. Again, find LCM, which is 21. Then cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15, then minus 14. So what we get from here? We get from here 1 by 21. Look at both. Both are same. Both are same. So A plus B is equals to B plus A. We can say that addition is commutative for rational number. Then we goes to for subtraction. We will subtract two rational numbers. 2 by 3 subtracted 5 by 7. Okay, so again find the LCM and then reciprocal. So 14 1 minus 15. What we get? Minus 1 by 21. Then exchange the rational numbers and then find the subtraction. By exchanging, LCM is 21 and then 5 3s are 15 minus 14. So look at here, 15 minus 14, we get 1 by 21. Now A minus B is equals to minus 1 by 21 and B minus A is equals to 1 by 21. Both are not same. So we write here A minus B is not equals to B minus A. So what we can say that we can say here subtraction will not be commutative. Now multiplication. For multiplication, again take two rational numbers and multiply both. 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. So 2 5s are 10 and 3 7s are 21. Then exchange the rational numbers, place of rational numbers. By exchanging the place of rational number, 5 2s are 10, 7 3s are 21. Both are same. So we can say that A into B is equals to B into A. Multiplication is commutative. Okay. Next operation is division. For division, divide two rational numbers. 2 by 3 is divided by 5 by 7. So look at here, 2 by 3. Then put here multiplication and find the reciprocal of 5 by 7, which is 7 by 5. Okay, so we get 14 by 15. When we exchange the place of rational numbers, by exchanging, put here multiplication and then reciprocal of 2 by 3, which is 3 by 2, and 5 3s are 15 and 7 2s are 14. So look at here, both are not equal. So we can say that A divided B is not equals to B divided by A. So division will not be commutative. Okay, now we will look at next property. Associative property. Associative property. In associative property, okay, taking three rational numbers, 2 by 3 plus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 6. We have three rational numbers. So put here bracket. By the Bodmer's law, we know very well, firstly we solve value of brackets. So here also we solve value of brackets. Take LCM, then cross multiplication. 18 minus 25. Minus 7 by 30. Again, because we have addition, so again we find the LCM 30 and then solve this. So we got 13 by 30. If you solve A plus B in bracket plus C, so you got the same answer, 13 by 30. So easily we can say that A plus B plus C in bracket is equals to A plus B in bracket plus C. Both are equal. So addition is associative for rational number. Now next, subtraction. For subtraction, when you take three rational numbers and then subtract these, they are not equal. So we write A minus B minus C is not equals to this. Subtraction will not be associative. Okay, now we solve for multiplication. For multiplication, A multiply B multiply C. 2 by 3 is multiplied by 3 by 5 is multiplied by minus 5 by 6. So 5 is cancelled by 5, 3 is cancelled by 3, and 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we get minus 1 by 3 here. Then again exchanging the bracket, 2 by 3, 3 by 5 minus 5 by 6. 5 is cancelled by 5 3 is cancelled by 3, 2 by 3. So we get here same answer, minus 1 by 3. We get both answers same, so we can say that A multiply B is equals to A multiply B multiply C. Both are equal. So multiplication is distributive. And when you solve for division, both the answer are not equal. Both the answer are not equal. So we put the symbol of not equal to, and we can easily say that division will not be associative. Students, I will give you homework. Its next property is distributive property. Distributive property. So you have to solve this for addition and for subtraction. In addition, you apply the operation A into B plus C. So we get AB plus AC. And for subtraction, A into B minus C. So we get AB minus AC. So you try to solve this taking some rational numbers, and in our next video we will take exercise 1.1. Try to solve exercise 1.1 which is related to these properties. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.